In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a paper jam in Canon PIXMA TR7800 Series printer. Once you get a paper jam error, you just have to go to the back side of the printer. At the back of the printer, we just have to push it to the one side, this black plate, and take it out. And you can access the paper here and you can just take it out. Once you load it, just place it back like this. If you don't see the paper there, then you can also go on the top and here you can access the paper. If you don't see it there as well, then you can go to the front of the printer. You can also take the paper tray and just check if the pages are loaded properly or not. Once you fix it, then you can close it. So this way we can fix the paper jam in this printer. Thanks for watching.